growth mindset is not something you just wish for and magically have. Just as athletes train their bodies, learners train their brains. Not by lifting weights or running laps, but by changing the words that they use. Let me show you what I mean. A statement like, "This is too hard," is problem-based. The focus is on a problem, not the possibility of learning. People with a growth mindset change their words to be more possibility-based. They might say, "This will get easier if I keep practicing." This is a much more positive statement that focuses on what is possible rather than what is problematic. If a classmate is really good at something, you might think, "They are better at that than I am." Train your brain. Think of what is possible in this situation. And you might change your words to say something like, "What can I learn from them?" It's natural to notice problems as you come across them, but when that happens, it's important to work hard and train your brain. Our words are powerful, and by simply changing them a little bit, we can turn any problem into a learning opportunity.